Good afternoon. Welcome to day 428 here at the EMA office, where we bring you the daily COVID briefing. I'm joined today with Chairman Kern, and we will get right into the numbers. In St. Clair County, we've tested 353,270, and that is an increase of 867 since yesterday. Positive test results are 30,833, which is an increase of, which is an increase of 21 since yesterday. Those are males and females under the age of 1 up to their 70s. That brings our daily county positivity to 2.4%. Negative test results are 322,437. Our deaths related to COVID-19 in St. Clair County remain at 477. And for those that have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we're at 30,151. For state totals, they've tested 23,761,576. Positive test results are 1,365,020, which is an increase of 1,513 since yesterday. Sadly, the state did announce an additional 47 COVID-19 related deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 22,415. For hospitalization numbers, those in St. Clair County hospitals, we have 7 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, with 1 patient on a ventilator. Regionally, there are 21 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, with 2 patients on ventilators. As we talk about every day, testing remains important to help isolate this virus. If you feel like you've been exposed to somebody that tested positive, or if you're displaying symptoms yourself, testing is available Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday at St. Clair Square from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., and daily at various pharmacies and express medical facilities throughout the county. I'll turn it over to the chairman for his update.
Great. Thanks, Brian. Okay, let's take a look at the zip code report for today. 62201, we went up 1 to 617. 62203, down 1 to 669. 62204, up 2 to 425. 62205, up 2 COVID positives to 683. 62207, up 1 to 643. 62208, up 2 to 1,744. 62220, up 2 to 2,194. 62221, up 3 to 2,950. 62223, up 1 to 1,865. 62226, up 3 to 3,385. 62254, up 1 to 825. 62258, up 3 to 1,102. 62264, up 1 to 376. And 62269, up 2 to 3,451. As Brian said, 21 new positives in the county today. 867 people tested, brings the county positivity up today to 2.4%. But the rolling average does go down to 3%, which is a good thing. Regional positivity stays the same at 2.6%. And hearing from Bond County today, they're at 6.9%. Clinton is at 0.3%. Madison County, 2.2%. Monroe at a negative 0.7%. Randolph at 0.9%. St. Clair, 2.1%. And Washington County at 0%. So, Brian, it looks like we're getting a lot more traffic at the fairgrounds. People are taking advantage of the new age ranges, I believe,
Yes, sir.
For vaccinating kids 12 and older.
Yesterday, we actually had over 200, call them walk-ups, non-scheduled appointments for those in that 12 to 15 age range. So,
That's great. And, the secret to this whole thing is if you're vaccinated, you're going to be far more able to do the things you want to do. And it's important that everybody get this vaccination.
And I heard something on the news this morning that I thought was very important and something that people, not a lot of people are thinking of. Everybody's going, well, my pediatrician's office isn't offering it, so it must not be safe. And this was a pediatrician talking. He goes, I think it's very safe. I'm recommending my patients get it. He goes, I just don't have the equipment to store the medicine at the needed temperatures in my office to be able to administer it. So I'm encouraging all of my patients to go down. That was very important to think of it that way.
We had to buy special freezers for the Pfizer vaccine because it has to be chilled at a minus 90 degrees. So it isn't a common piece of equipment that a doctor's office would have. So that's why they're really relying on sites like ours to be able to get it done.
Yeah, and Mila's been working with the school districts and some of the other juvenile centers here in the county, and said it's going well, that there's more and more going to be coming out. It was mentioned Belleville East and Belleville West are having their days come up, and actually they're working with some of their feeder schools to allow those younger populations to be able to get in.
And the way that works, there is equipment to be able to transport a good amount of the vaccine, and so if they have a site like a school where they know they're going to have a few hundred or several hundred people there, then they are able to pack up enough vaccine to do that, and they don't have to have storage because you're not going to be storing it at the school. You're going to use it the same day that you.
Once it comes out of that negative 90, I believe it's like 6 hours. Mila told us that they have to use it with that.
They certainly are good at that now. They've worked with Pfizer for several months, and it's we've done over 100,000 doses at the fairgrounds.
Yep, very true. So we thank you for joining us today, as you do every day. Tomorrow is our question and answer day. The portal will be available on the Facebook page later this evening. Put any questions you might have in there, and then we'll be back with you tomorrow to bring you the answers from our panel that's here answering all those questions each week.
And Herb will be back tomorrow.
Herb will be back, and Mila is going to be here tomorrow for the health department to answer some of those questions. So definitely going to probably see some new questions as the age ranges have changed, and the new questions about masking and not masking, and definitely going to be another interesting day of question and answers. So we'll be back with Cindy in a few moments to translate this into our Spanish communities, and we'll see you here tomorrow for day 429. Thank you.